How to get $100 Target promo code. For this, you have to go ahead and open a browser that you prefer and search for couponfollow.com or go and search for www.couponfollow.com. Here you will find coupon codes for different platforms. To search for Target, tap on the search icon and here search for target.com. Target is a leading retail chain known for its extensive selection of products ranging from household essentials to trendy fashion items. Its commitment to quality and affordability has made it one of the convenient shopping experience both in store and online. It also offers diverse range of offerings and exceptional customer service. Talk about these promo codes and coupons. So if you are interested in any of these coupons, you can select from here. If not, you can also enter your email so that you don't miss out any of the deals from Target. Select the coupon code that you want to, and at the bottom you will see offer details as well. Now just tap on copy or redeem at Target option. Then you will be redirected to Target. Now firstly, you have to go ahead and purchase an item from Target. And when you are checking out, make sure to use the promo code that you just copied. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.